welcome back to my channel everyone. Today the read is gonna be for our Cancerians. Let's see how your current energies are, what's going on with you during this Mercury retrograde time. Hope this Mercury retrograde is not giving you too much of trouble. Let's see how are the energies of our Cancerians. Let's see your recent past energies first, and if this read resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, Strength card. Trying to gain the strength, Cancerians. Could be in a twin flame situation, could be dealing with a soulmate, but I think you have reached that level in the recent past. You have reached that level of stability. You have got that kind of strength that you were waiting for. Okay, current energies of our Cancerians. Current energies of the Cancerians. Nice. Wow. Immediate future for our Cancerians. Cancerians, there could be some kind of money fluctuations, but I don't think that is bothering you at the moment because you're more concerned about your love life right now. Overall situation, we have the Justice card, which means justice is on your end. Whatever you're going through, justice is gonna happen. We were talking about the financial situation, so if you are worrying about the finances, if you're worrying about a certain thing, any issues related to some house, apartment, property, anything, justice is on your end, so I don't think there's anything to worry about. And then in the recent past, you have the Strength card, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. You are trying to go towards a certain person. As I said, you were gaining the strength before to approach the soulmate or to approach the twin flame, and finally you have gathered that kind of strength in you. Money fluctuations are there, but again, that's not bothering you at the moment. In the current energy, we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Cups, and the Two of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune actually turned in your favor. You have to stay protected from all the people that are against you in this situation, because there are a lot of people who don't want you both together. So again, you have to be very careful about all those people around. Not just you, but the other person that you're dealing with also has to be very careful about it. He or she does not know what's coming, so be very mindful of that if you're a cross watcher for the Cancer. Be careful of anyone coming and approaching you and asking anything from you. Be mindful of the thing that you do not reveal whatever you have in your mind to any person. Okay? Which is not a very big deal to do, I mean. Then you have the Ace of Cups, and Ace of Cups comes in the center of the read, which means there is love, there is this official relationship, there is marriage, there is an official commitment with this person. Then we have the Two of Cups, which means you're again meeting your soulmate, meeting your twin flame, I would say. For some of you, it is a twin flame situation. So you are meeting your twin flame, and you both are pretty happy about this whole situation. The Wheel of Fortune turned in your favor. In the immediate future, you have the Hangman, the Five of Swords, and the Emperor. Of course, there will be people leaving your life, Cancerians, because these people don't want you both together. It could be family, relatives, friends also, because these are the ones who are against whatever you're doing right now. So you have to be very stronger, and you know about it. You know about this whole situation. That's why you're trying to hold yourself very stronger. um, you are waiting for the right moment, yes. Also, you're very stable. In the immediate future also, you will be very stable in your energy, be it in terms of approaching the other person, the person that you're waiting for, or the person that you have to approach. You are very stabilized, and you will go in a very stabilized form in front of that person. You will not be all over the place. So yeah, there are celebrations, there is this happiness for you, there is this love definitely coming into your life, but I do see you approaching this person. I don't see this person coming towards you. So yeah. So for the overall situation, again, I said you have the Justice card. Justice is there for you in terms of love, in terms of finances, whatever you're going through, justice is on your end. So if this is the read that you get during Mercury retrograde, there cannot be anything better, I would say. It's just that don't be disheartened when people are leaving your life, because maybe they were just not meant to be in your life that time. And that is going to happen when you actually approach this person, or when you share this information with other people, when you tell them that when you have a message to share with this person, that you know you are going towards this person, or you're going to approach this person, that will be the time when these people will leave your life. But then again, there's a lot of stability in your life. You are a very stable person overall, so there is nothing to worry about that I see in this read, Cancerians. Perfect read for you guys during the Mercury retrograde times. Let's see if the universe wants to guide you for this Mercury retrograde season. Universe, please guide our Cancerians during the Mercury retrograde season. Universe, please guide our Cancerians. Yeah, there could be times of loneliness, but things are going to speed up a lot in your life. Things are just going to happen like overnight, and you'll be just thinking like, how did all that happen? And you will be the one that will be so fast also in this situation. And then you have all the angelic guidance with you. You know all the truth. If there's anything else that will also come up in front of you, if there's anything else that you are still thinking that maybe you're not sure about it, that thing is gonna come in front. I don't see deception here, I don't see that kind of energy, although we have the High Priestess here for the guidance, but I don't see any kind of deception. But I do see that there's a certain message that's gonna come your way. Not from that particular person, you will just get to know about this piece of information from anyone around. It could be anyone, and then it's gonna give you a lot of stability. Then you'll be like, now I'm not listening to anyone, now I am just gonna go towards whatever I have in my mind. So if there are people leaving your life, don't worry about that. Those people were not meant to be in your life. So that was the guidance for you, Cancerians. If this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.